Welcome to the evolution of BMW, from pioneering innovations to iconic powerhouse. In the early 20th century, BMW started as an aircraft engine manufacturer. Their engines powered the skies, known for their reliability and performance. But after World War I, BMW shifted its focus to motorcycles, introducing the legendary R32 in 1923. It revolutionized the industry with features like a horizontally opposed twin-engine and shaft drive. By the 1930s, BMW ventured into the world of automobiles. The iconic 328 sports car captured the hearts of enthusiasts with its stunning design and remarkable performance on the racetrack. During World War II, BMW's production halted, but they bounced back with a new beginning in the 1950s. The 507 Roadster showcased their dedication to luxury and elegance. In the 1960s, BMW introduced the legendary new class models, like the 2002. These vehicles were praised for their exceptional handling, introducing the world to the ultimate driving experience. The 1970s were a turning point for BMW with the introduction of the 3 Series. Its compact design and powerful engines made it an instant classic and a symbol of the brand's aspirations. As the years went by, BMW continued to innovate, pushing boundaries with technologies like the first mass-produced hydrogen-powered car, the Hydrogen 7. Today, BMW stands tall as a global powerhouse, known for its precision engineering, luxurious comfort, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the evolution of BMW. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more captivating automotive content.